Hi there, welcome to episode 66 of the Daily Shed. And today I'm going to be showing working your way through a 2-octave major scale in fifths. And it's a really nice exercise, either fingerstyle or pick style, for your fingers, both for articulation in the right and in the left, just getting actually also articulation, getting around between the notes, and especially accommodating for when you have two notes adjacent to each other on strings adjacent to each other. You have to do a lot of kind of fretting with the same finger. So basically what it is the 2-octave major scale. I'll do it in A. That's a 2-octave major scale, just up. And then in fifths. So you start on the root, on the A, and you go up a fifth. And you go down a fourth, and up a fifth. So basically you're working your way all up the scale. And I said going down a fourth, you're just going to the second note. So you'll be going through each note of the scale, but after every one you'll be jumping up to a fifth above it. So from the 1 up to the fifth above it, the 2 up to the fifth above it, 3 up to the fifth above it, the fourth, and so on, like this. Now you notice there, that's not a perfect fifth. In the scale that's known as a tritone, it's a flat fifth. Before then, they're all perfect fifths. So there's your flat 5, and you're at the octave. And keep on going from there. As far as you can, all the way up to the 2 above that 2-octave A up there. And then down again. There's your tritone again, flat 5. The flat 5 again. Okay, play that again, going up. Again, we're in the key of A. Flat 5. And going down. Oops, there's the flat 5. To end it. So yeah, you'll start to notice as you work your way through this, your left hand really has to sort of think a lot to be ready for the next position, because you're jumping up and then coming back down. And so it's a really good exercise just for getting your fingers used to moving around and sort of figuring out how to be able to make it to the next note. And you want to play it as legato as you can. Start out very slow with this, and it's good for your right hand, both picking or fingerstyle. So let me know any questions or comments below. I hope this is useful. And as always, thank you for watching.